Please, let's get this done. Stuff you already know. Let's be over with it. I want my trinket.
4, 3, 2, 1.
You do not face me alone, invaders! You stand before the finest defenders of Zuldada! My loyal subjects, show these outsiders the price of their arrogance!
Pardon?
I got him. Probably just gonna get the first scorching though. I'll just hold him after, so.
So, if he doesn't run away, then you just take whenever.
Totem is up.
Death to all invaders! Go, my pretties, go! Away from my presence! Samdu, the alliance invaders have struck down our people. Aid me!
What you be raising such a fuss about, your majesty? Old one Samdi ain't gonna let no outsiders take your throne.
Zombie dust.
Hearts and minds belong to me!
After this detonation, spread. Toads.
Go, my pretties, go!
Door on wolf. Fire and fire. Followed by dust toad.
Bark.
Got him.
Fire coming up.
Sean, hold still.
But in doubt, just hold still and go from it. Go for it. There.
Doranesa.
Fire and 5.
And just scoot back a bit.
You would be wise to flee.
Good bubble.
Get this totem.
Let me die.
Watch the squeeze.
Fire and 4.
Get in position.
Our bargain and strike down these attackers.
All these portals are perfect. There's no reason you guys should fall down here.
Give you the power you seek, but you better watch your tone.
Got rage.
Yes, the power of a lower flows through me.
Door on demo.
Away from my presence.
After this detonation, be ready for fire. It's gonna be lit.
Get code up.
Let the fire rain down. Such strength. Now you will fall.
Door on Kyoshi.
There.
Ads are coming up soon.
Away from my presence.
After
Go
this
ahead and
detonation, it'll be fine.
Okay, anyone who's clear is good. clears if you need. Okay, hold
Never
on,
blind.
clears.
Second one's coming out. Do we can just survive?
Don't kill Rage. Careful
Out,
on
pull
it.
away, pull away, pull away.
It was too late. It's way too low.
See if you can grab
After
it,
this,
Usher.
be ready for fire. Fire is gonna be. It's a death door.
Get out of there, quick.
Why are these invaders still resisting? You should have dealt with them by
Moving
now.
him away from those doors.
We want to move him towards left soon. Behind us, basically.
Okay.
They go the other way because toads are going to block off some of that.
After this detonation, it'll likely be
After detonation, come towards me. Fire
Dust.
me.
flag of fire.
Don't have
Hey.
cooldown. Okay.
Inevitable.
Inevitable. Move, move, move.
Just stay alive.
That should be it.
After this detonation, it's
Leg.
Okay, let's move towards the start, or the,
This darkness
you know what I mean.
consumed my soul.
door on swift.
I must free of it.
After this detonation, fire.
Red.
Personal so you can.
Toads. Really nice toads. Slowly inch away from those.
Door on swift.
Another
Inevitable.
blend. Move.
If you have spare personals, use them on the scorching.
This power,
Fire.
this day, it is a curse, not a blessing.
I'll AM this next.
Detonation.
Daughter, what have I done? Want Sam deal with you?
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, honestly.
Wipe.
It's wipe.
Let's fucker.
Good
I
job.
believe I died on the kill.
Predictable.
Oh.
Because you suck.
Yeah.
Put a hand over those shoulders.